Hi everyone. Today we are continuing our work with Notice and Note. Remember, Notice and Note is a reading strategy that helps us to notice the important parts of a story and then take note of them. And our signpost for today is memory moment. So remember, there are 6 signposts, and these are the things that are important that we should be noticing. Yep, today is memory moment. So a memory moment is just when the author interrupts the action to tell you about a memory. So the story kind of stops for a second and we flash back to some old memory, and then we'll come back forward to the present time. We already kind of know about these. They're flashbacks, but Notice and Note calls them memory moments. So our example is Toy Story 2. Clues, really just the main story gets interrupted. So the main story stops for a minute and we get this little story within a story. And the little story within the big story is in the past, right? Now, keep in mind that these memory moments are important. So a writer is going to take the time to really explain it or develop it fully. So this memory moment could take several paragraphs. It could even take several pages to tell you. It's not going to be a quick little, like just, it's not every time a character remembers something, it's a memory moment. Oh, I remembered to take the trash out. That's not a memory moment. But if you remember some um, tragic thing in their past or something like that. So for example, here, Jessie is telling Woody about a big thing that happened in her past. It was when her child, her kid that her owner, I guess, kind of forgot about her. She outgrew her. So Emily was the little girl's name, and Jessie was her toy. And as Emily got older, she kind of forgot about Jessie and quit playing with her. And um, poor Jessie got sort of left behind and forgotten and left in a box, and she's really sad about it. And she tells Woody about it in the form of a memory moment or flashback. All right, when you see a memory moment, you're going to want to ask, why is this memory important? Why did the writer take the time to tell me about this? Did I learn something about the character? Did I learn, is the plot going to change? Why is it important? Eventually, little Jessie here gets a new owner, right? Woody talks her into coming home with him, and Andy plays with her. So, and this is the scene where he has written his name on the bottom of her shoe, and she's so excited to have a kid again, to be able to play and be happy again. All right, memory moments can help us understand a few different literary elements. So it can help us understand conflict. Right? Conflict is when the character is struggling within himself or against someone or something else. And here, the conflict related to this memory moment is that the pain of being forgotten by her former owner leaves Jessie hesitant to get close to another child. She instead wants to just go to the um, museum. She and some other toys are going to go to the museum and be a museum display. And Woody's like, why would you want to do that? Why not just come home with me and have a kid again and play and have fun? And she has trouble trusting at that and being excited about that because she got hurt so much in the past. A memory moment can help us understand theme. So remember, the theme is the universal idea or a message that's explored in a story. So here the theme is, and I took this from Alfred Lord Tennyson, so it's from he's a poet. So there's a old poem and it has the lines, "'Tis better to have loved and lost than never to have loved at all." You've probably heard this before, but this is the theme, right? This is something that we can learn from this movie and from this memory moment. Jesse's hurt by lost love, right? The love of Emily. It doesn't have to be romantic love, right? Any love. But so when Emily seems to stop loving Jesse, Jesse gets hurt. But she cherishes the memories and she is eventually willing to take a chance and open her heart again. So she was better off, she being Jessie, was better off having loved Emily and lost that love than she would have been if she never loved at all. And also, memory moment can foreshadow, right? It can give us little hints about what's going to happen next. So, the love and happiness we see Jessie experience with Emily in that flashback or in that memory moment foreshadows the love and happiness that Jessie feels later on with Andy. All right, your job today is to watch this little short film called Shoe and then answer these questions about memory moment. So there are two memory moments in this short film. What are they? So I gave you a little A and a B here just to remind you. Two memory moments. So there are two different places in the film where someone flashes back to an old memory. Who flashes back and what are they remembering? And then the second question is, why are these memories important? So together, you can answer this just sort of together. Why are both of these important? Um, remember to meet the basic requirements of writing. So capitalization, punctuation, basically it's mechanics, usage, grammar, all that English kind of stuff, English class stuff. Complete sentences, no text talk, no slang, no wannas and gunnas and all that kind of thing. Standard formal English in English class. Really, it should be in all of your classes. All right, so this is it. You can put your answers right here in the slideshow and then turn it in. I hope you enjoy this little short film and have a great day.